Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a video in a circle or how to make a circle video. And right here on the timeline, I have some footage which I downloaded from Pexels. As usual, if you want to follow along, I'll leave a link to this video in the description. Now, this is just an office lady looking at the camera, smiling, right? Now, I just want to put her face in the circle. To do that, I need to come under effects and search for, you guessed it, circle. And now, right before I even do that, I just want to make sure that my video is currently on layer 1. I just want to put it on layer 2. So I'm just going to click the mouse and hold it, put it on video layer 2, and come under projects here. I just want to add a color matte. There's already a matte here, but let me just click here and search for color matte. Click on it and click OK, and I want the color to be just like this color here, probably greenish or bluish. Just click on it and let me call it bluish, right? You can name it anything you want. Click and drag it right below the footage of the office lady, so that when we make the circle video, at least the background will be visually pleasing. Now I'm going to highlight the footage of the office lady, go under effects and search for circle. It's under video effects, obsolete, right? Just click and drag it to your video layer, and this is what happens, right? Now let's go under the effects controls and search for circle. What we want to do at the moment first is change the blending mode. We just want to click here and look for stencil alpha and just click on it. As you can see, we can see the model, but obviously we cannot see her face totally. So we need to come here under radius and just click and drag it, just increase the radius. I think that's perfect, right? Now we need to move, obviously, the circle to her face, and to do that we come here where it says center. Just click and drag, just drag into the left, and to go to the top, I'm just going to click this side, which is the vertical, and click it right about there. If I can just play it back, I can see that already her face is in the circle. Right now we can make this a little bit more visually pleasing by adding one more effect. Let's just come here and search for radio shadow. Now you can actually do it with a lot of effects, but I'm just going to use radio shadow. Still under obsolete, video effects obsolete. Just click and drag it to the video layer, and as you can see, there's this shadow which has been created, this dark green. It's a shadow. So what we want to do is first and foremost, let's just position the shadow. Just come here under radio shadow, here where it says light source. We just want to click here where it says 480. Just click and drag it to the left, no, drag it to the right like that, and drag it to the top. Let me just drag it to the top, just and maybe just a little bit to the left like that. That's perfect. Next thing we need to do is to change the color of the outline. I want to make it white, so let me just click on that, come to white, click OK. Now as you can see here, it is white, but it's not really white because it has a 50% opacity. So I'm just going to come here where it says opacity, just click and drag it and make it 100%, and now the circle is white, right? Now there can come a scenario maybe where you want to change even the position of the video altogether, right? So to do that, it's actually quite simple. You just need to come to here under motion here, just click and hold the position. Let me just click and drag this. I can drag it to the left, or could drag it to the right, or drag it to the top or above, wherever you want. So I'm just gonna put it maybe there, and that is how you make a circle video. So let's just play it back and see. Yes, there's our office lady smiling. So that is how you add a circle to a video, or how you make circle video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so a subscribe will do. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.